Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Coinstats to Venmo. First, go to the Coinstats website on your PC. Then, click on Get Started from the top right corner. Now, choose Continue with Wallet. Here, click on any wallet option like MetaMask. Check the box to agree to the terms, then click on Create a new wallet. Now, check the box again and click on I agree. Enter a password, then type it again to confirm. Check the box one more time and click on Create a new wallet. For security, you can choose to back it up or click on Remind Me Later. Once your wallet is ready, go back to the Coinstats homepage. Now, click on MetaMask again. Then, click on Connect and choose Confirm when the pop-up appears. Next, click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Here, click on your MetaMask wallet address to open the wallet details. Then, from the left side, click on Assets to view your funds. To send money to Venmo, you need to first transfer your crypto to a platform that supports bank withdrawals like Coinbase. Once the crypto is transferred and converted to USD, you can then withdraw it to your bank account linked to Venmo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.